So we have seen how to create a proc and how to create a lambda. So proc and lambda are used to create an object for the block. So there are two more ways we can create a object to the block. So first one is, let us say a is equal to proc.new, and here you can write puts hello world. So it is same as proc, but the first character should be capital letter. Both proc.new and proc are same, and there is a minor difference between the lambda and proc. And now we can a.cal call. Now execute it. See here, hello world is printed, and this is same as a proc. You can use either one according to your comfortability. And the last way of creating a object to the block is a implicit way of defining. So how we should define? So we have seen when we have discussed in blocks like puts, let us say this is a method, and we are passing the, as a reference we are passing the block, let us say double a, and now we can dot cal, let us say end. Now let us create a block of the same name. This we have seen. I will show the difference. Puts, and now right, this is a block. Now if you execute it, see here, when it is calling, it is method is called and this one is called, but we cannot create an object to the block right here, like say a is equal to, now let us execute it, and let us say a dot cal. See, there is showing it as a error because a is equal to, this is not a proc or lambda, this is just a block. So for that we make small adjustment. We should have to return a. So what we are doing, we are getting this hello world into the reference, and we are executing this, we are calling this. So when we are telling return a, this a will be replaced here and it will be assigned to the object. So now we have created an object. Now this should run fine. Let us see here, now it is running fine. So this is the implicit way of creating a proc. Actually what we are doing, we are creating a proc which is a class. So proc, lambda, proc.new are three are classes, and here these are objects. So in this way implicitly we are creating a proc. So to check whether it is a proc or lambda, there is a method called lambda question mark. This is a method we can apply to check whether it is a lambda or not. Let us check. If a dot lambda question mark, if this is a lambda, it will return true. Let us write puts it is a lambda and end the if statement. Now save it, run it. See here, because it is not a lambda, it is not getting executed. We can also write if not, if this is not a lambda, print it is not a lambda. Now save it, run it. See, this is not a, it is not a lambda. So like this we can create a proc implicitly without defining like proc and proc new. So these are all the ways we can create a object for the blocks. Hope you understood now. We'll be seeing a small examples explaining or understanding these procs and lambda little bit better in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.